Welcome my dear friends. Today we'll see trigonometry exercise 8.4 question number 5 fifth part. The question is cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Now here these type of questions where the terms are same in numerator and denominator, what we have to do is that first you find out the term which is having a negative sign. So sin a is having a negative sign. So what we can do, divide numerator and denominator by sin a. So if we'll do this, then what we'll get, divide cos A by sin A. So we'll get cos A by sin A as cot A minus sin A by sin A is 1 and 1 upon sin A becomes cosec A. Similarly, in denominator, we'll get cos A by sin A is cot A plus sin A by sin A is 1 and minus 1 upon sin A is cosec A. Now friends, here if you see numerator carefully, so in numerator there is one term minus 1. So we are going to make use of one identity, and that is cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. So here the term which is there in numerator is minus 1, so only 1. So that 1 will replace by cosec square a minus cot square a, and rest of the terms we are going to copy as it is. So here cot a and cosec a we can just rearrange and we'll write down it at one place. So just rearrange it. So we'll get cot a plus cosec a. We can write in bracket minus in second bracket because there is a minus sign before the bracket. So write down in bracket. So one can be written as cosec square a minus cot square a. The whole divided by cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Now friends, don't change the denominator till end because it is going to cancel. So we'll keep denominator as it is. Now if we'll see carefully numerator cosec square a minus cot square a, so it is in form which is a square minus b square, can be written as a plus b first bracket second bracket a minus b. So here we can apply that formula. So we can copy first term as it is, that is cot a plus cosec a in bracket as it is, minus just write a bracket, curly bracket. So we can apply a plus b a minus b. So we'll get first bracket cosec a plus cot a, and second bracket will get cosec a minus cot a. Bracket close. And as I told earlier, denominator we are not supposed to touch. We'll keep as it is till end. So we'll write down that as cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Now friends, if you see it carefully, numerator, it has two terms. The first term is cot a plus cosec a, and then second term is that entire bracket where two brackets are there, but still treated as a single term. So now in numerator there are two terms. So what is common? The common term is cot a plus cosec a. So we can take that as a common. So what is left in the first term? It is nothing but 1 minus cosec a minus cot a. We'll write down this is in bracket because there is a minus sign before the bracket. And denominator, as I told earlier, we are not supposed to touch. We'll keep as it is, cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Now friends, numerator will simplify. So we'll copy the first term as it is, that is cot a plus cosec a in bracket as it is, into 1 minus, just expand the bracket with minus sign, it becomes minus cosec a plus cot a. Denominator will copy as it is, which is cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Now friends, if you see this carefully, the term in the numerator which is 1 minus cosec a plus cot a, and denominator cot a plus 1 minus cosec a, they are exactly same. So we can cancel it. Hence the term which is left out is cot a plus cosec a. So this is our LHS. So we got LHS as cot a plus cosec a, and same thing is our RHS. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved.